In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make an animation of your favorite polyhedron. First, use the polyhedra plot command in the plots package. You have to provide a center point and the name of polyhedron, such as a dodecahedron. Then, use the context panel to customize the look. You can change the axes, color, and other options here. Finally, add the viewpoint option with the circle left or circle right value to create the animation. And then you can use the animation controls to see the result. What other polyhedra can you display? You can use the polyhedra supported command to get a list of the 138 supported polyhedra. Let's try something exotic like the echidnahedron, named for the echidna, a spiny anteater. This is the final stellation of the icosahedron. You can then export the animation as a GIF file and use it outside of Maple. And here is your final animation.